Good morning everyone. This is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. In our previous classes we have discussed about the human urinary system and its basic unit like the nephron. Today we will discuss one important topic that is directly related to human urinary system student. It is renal failure or kidney failure. Now what is it? So with the help of this word you can easily understand that failure, kidney failure means it is the disease student in which our kidney stops its functioning. Now what are the function of kidney? Reabsorption, filtration and secretion. These are the three important functions of the kidney. So in the case of kidney failure, the filtration is stopped student or it is reduced. So what is renal failure or the kidney failure? The reduction in the ability of kidney to filter waste products from the blood to urine is known as kidney failure or renal failure student. Now due to this, there is the concentration of urea and uric acid is increased in our blood, due to which toxicity is increased. Means the poisonous substance is accumulated in our body in the form of urea and uric acid and the salt student, due to which there are the physiological functions that are performed inside our body. Those all physiological functions are stopped and due to this a person may die. Now what is the cause of the kidney failure that we will try to discuss. First cause is hypertension and hypotension student. Hyper means high blood pressure, hypo means low blood pressure, hypotension means low blood pressure. When we have the high and low blood pressure, then due to which our kidney stops its functioning. Because in functioning of the kidney, there is the main role of the blood pressure. A particular blood pressure is applied to the blood capillaries from which the reabsorption and the filtration takes place with the help of nephrons. So due to the disturbance in blood pressure, our kidney may stop its functioning. Second is wrong medicine student. Many times we take the unprescribed medicine, means without discussion with doctor we take the medicine. So those medicine may fall the adverse effect on our body and our kidney may stop the functioning. So second reason is wrong medicine. Third is drug addiction student. Many persons are addicted to particular drugs. Then due to those drugs, their kidney may stop the functioning. So drug addiction is also the main cause of kidney failure student. After this, there is another cause of the kidney failure student, high sugar intake or diabetes. Many persons takes the more and more cold drink in their life, due to which our kidney may stop the functioning student. Because the cold drink contains the preservatives and with this the soda are found, means the carbonic soda are found in the cold drinks, due to which our kidney have the adverse effect and they may reduce their functioning. That's why we should not take the cold drink student or the cold drink that contains the preservatives, because the preservatives are also harmful for our kidney. Now we come on the next is student, it is the condition at which our body have the less water, and that condition is known as dehydration. Due to the dehydration, our body, this particular part may stop its functioning, student, because for the filtration and the reabsorption water plays very important role because it facilitates the osmosis. So dehydration is another cause. Many times due to the kidney stone, the wrong surgery takes place by the doctor, student, due to which also our kidney may be failed or it may stop its functioning. It is another cause. So there are the different causes from which our kidney may stop its functioning, student. Now we come on the next. How can we treat or how can we prevent this disease? We can prevent if we take water and salt in balanced amount. With this we also take the balanced diet and we do the physical exercise. By doing the physical exercise and balanced diet and by taking the balanced amount of water, we can protect our body from this harmful disease, student, from the kidney failure. And by taking the lower intake of sugar, by taking the low amount of sugar, we can also protect our kidney, student, because when we take the sugar in large amount, then the working or the functioning of the kidney is increased because it has the more work to filter the blood. That's why we should take the sugar in a limited amount. With this we also take the salts in a limited amount, like the sodium chloride or the table salt we should take in balanced amount, student. And if we take the medicines, then we should take the medicines by the prescription of the qualified doctors, because many times if we take the wrong medicine, then that wrong medicine fall the adverse effect on our kidneys. So it is another precaution, and as you know that precaution is better than cure, or we can say that the prevention is better than cure, student. If we try to have the preventive measurement, then with the help of those preventive measurements we can protect this important organ, student, because in nowadays we are taking the impure food items or impure air or impure water we are taking in our life. So due to those impurities, the workload on our kidney is also increased, and when the workload is increased on a particular person or particular machine or particular organ, then what happens, student? The person stop the functioning, na? Like this, the kidney also stop the functioning. That's why we should try to take the pure food items, student, pure water, pure food item we should take. Means the food items that does not have the adulteration in the form of insecticide, pesticides and fertilizers. This type of food items we should take. Next is, student, what is the treatment? There is no permanent treatment of the renal failure or the kidney failure. Only we can have the preventive measurement. And what is the first preventive measurement, student? It is dialysis, and it is also known as homeodialysis, student. In this there is one particular machine is used, and that particular machine have the osmotic solution with many tubes like structures, and with the help of those tubes like structures, osmosis takes place when the blood is circulated through those tubes like structures, and the impurities that are found in our blood, those impurities are filtered with the help of that dialysis machine. So with the help of the homeodialysis, we can have the temporary treatment of kidney failure. And there is another treatment is also done by the surgeon, student, and it is kidney transplant. With the help of the kidney transplant, we can also have the temporary treatment, student, because it is also not permanent treatment. In this, only for 5 to 10 years a person can survive with the help of those transplanted kidneys. In this, what happens, student? The kidney from another person, from the healthy person, are taken, and those kidneys are transplanted to the person that have the kidney failure with the help of the surgeon, and the surgeon do the operation and they transplant those kidney. Now, with the help of that transplanted kidney, the function of the filtration takes place, but it is also not a temporary treatment. It is also the temporary treatment, student. It is not a permanent treatment. That's why, what should we do? We should have the preventive measurement, student. We should take the sugar in low amount. We should take more and more water, or we should take the water in a balanced amount. We should take the balanced diet. We should take the salt in a balanced amount. We should always take the medicine by the prescription of the doctor. We should do the exercise. We should take the pure food items or the pure form of water, or we should drink the potable water, student. So these are the preventive measurements from which we can protect ourselves from the kidney failure or the urinary failure, and the another disease that is led by the kidney failure, it is uremia, and from uremia we can protect ourselves, student, if we take care of our health. So thank you very much and have a pleasant day.